guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to make your tail lights guys crystal clear. Okay, and how to make them super shiny. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing guys. I hate when the tail lights look like that. Make sure you stay until the end to see the results guys. So, we guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Please guys subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful. Let's start on it now. Okay guys, this is Glossworks. This is amazing product by Chemical guys. That's what we'll be using. Now, you can see how bad that tail light is. Make sure guys you stand till the end and you will see the result. It will be just unbelievable guys. We're going to do half of it so you can notice the difference. Make sure that you don't have any dust. Apply a thin amount, okay, on the whole tail light. Usually you have something like that. In our case, on that Lincoln guys, we have quite a bit of tail light here. The whole trunk is tail light. That's why it's even more obvious how faded, how scratched up that thing is. So we're going to do that now guys, and later, okay, I'm going to use the buffer right here with a polishing pad. All the tools and parts that we use you can find in the description of the video below guys. We'll have the links for your convenience. I will buff it at 1900 RPMs. And it's important guys, okay, not to stay too long at one spot, okay. You need to keep moving back and forth. Why? Because the plastic may get hot and you don't want that to happen. So make sure you move back and forth, that way you don't burn the plastic guys. Okay, I'm going to save it. And what we'll be doing next guys, there is a special compound that prevents from UV rays guys. It's called, okay, M-Sealer guys. Because if you don't protect it now guys, okay, they will fade again. So you want to have that UV protection on the plastic, otherwise that plastic guys over time tends to burn. So we're not done yet, make sure you stay until the end. Now you can see the difference so far, how foggy looking that one is. Check this thing out, how crystal clear it is. This is guys the M-Sealer, okay, it's a nanotech, it's amazing stuff. So what we'll do guys, okay, we'll apply a thin amount again on the whole tail light. And we're going to do that, this one is super helpful for protecting things from fading. So thin amount, and we just apply again on the whole tail light, and we're going to buff it again. I usually go about 1900 RPMs on this one as well. You can do all that by hand, you don't even have to use the machine guys, you can just do it by hand, but it's a little bit quicker with the machine, and I can show you a little bit better results with it as well. So now guys, okay, we're going to get the towel, okay, and we're going to clean it. Okay, and check this thing out now. Okay, you can clearly see my reflection in the tail light. Okay, you can see right here, you can see my reflection. Check out if I come on this side, okay, how foggy it looks. Okay, it's not clear, and when I come to this side, it's like super clear guys. Even the sky, the details, everything super clear. So quite a bit of a difference guys. That's how you do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.